Hey guys, welcome to day 45 of Codeforces Everyday until GM. Today, we're just gonna jump straight into it. We're starting on this question, loyalty, 1200 rated. You are a customer in a store and wants to buy in items. Each item I has a price AI such that AI is between 1 and X, where X is a loyalty factor. Your loyalty level in the store is defined as S, the floor of S over X, where S is the total cost of items purchased so far. Initially, it's 0. Okay, so this to me seems like you have to finesse this floor operation somehow. If you buy an item with price P and your loyalty level increases, you earn P points. So if you buy an item and this calculation increases, the only way this calculation increases is S. So S needs to be able to, like, the price of the item needs to be able to big enough to make S the next, like, factor of X so that it doesn't get floored and finessed. Your money doesn't get finessed without increasing the loyalty level, right? Find the maximum number of points you can earn by choosing an optimal order. Okay, so the order of items matters. Okay, I'm just gonna say, I appreciate this question because it reads so much easier than like some of the ones we've done, like yesterday, the day before. This question is so much easier to understand. Okay, whatever. So let's take in our input first, as per usual. T equals int input. And then for in range T, we have an in equals int input. Oh, we have two numbers here, in and x equals map int input split. Then a equals list map int input split. Alright, so that's input in. Now, sorting's two pointers. This question seems pretty simple. At least in theory, it's pretty simple. It seems like we just greedily choose like our point value. We get points based on if P increases the loyalty level. So we want points from the greatest prices, right? But the thing is, if the greatest prices doesn't increase the loyalty level, then we don't get the points from that. So I think what we want to do is we want to sort the array. So this case, 1, 2, we get 12, and then this is an order. Or we do want to sort the array, so 1. Why is my thing so thin? I've never seen it this thin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. Okay. Now our x is 2. So all of these will pass, no? All of these will increase the loyalty level. And then it's like doesn't increase, increase, doesn't increase, increase, so 12. So our order would be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Good starting point. This doesn't really tell us much. Let's try number 3. 1, 2, 53. Okay, number 3 is this, where x is 23. Sort this, we get 1, 1, 2, 2. Wait, it's 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 20, or 10, 21, 22. This is one, should be 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Okay, and it's 23, so it'd be a mistake to just grab this. What we can do is use this smaller number to buffer this, right? So s equals 1, and then s equals 23, and then we get 23 points. And then we use these two to buffer 21. And then we use 10, so we need 13 as a buffer. This is 4, 12, wait, we can make 13 like this, and then we get a 10. Let's erase this. But then we don't get any points from this either way. So I don't think it matters if we like go overboard. I think we can use like this 4, 7, 12, whatever. That's 17. And then we can grab 10, so then we can have these points. Right? Because these are just the best point values to have. This is 43, 50, 53. Seems correct. Okay, this theory seems like I'm right on the money. First try. No? It uses sorting, 2 pointers. It's greedy. Let's try it. A dot sort. And then we have 2 pointers left and right equals 0 and n minus 1 while L is less than R. If points, set like points equals to 0, order equals this. If AR is less than X, order dot append L or AL L plus equals 1, else order dot append AR R minus equals 1, and we also need to keep track of the points. So we can do a points plus equals S double divided by X. Wait, no, we get P out of it. Which is a R. Okay, wait, this isn't exactly right. There's something wrong with this. Loyalty level. It's your loyalty level increases, not your loyalty factor. So level. So we need to keep track of a sum. S equals 0. Level equals S divided by X. Now level order dot append. So we should do the operations first. And the operation we do is S plus equals level. S plus equals AL. And then recompute level. Points plus equals AR. Okay. We still need to do this. Compute our new level. And then have our points. And then at the end we print points, I think. Okay, as per usual, it's always wrong first try. Expected receipt. Oh, we need a point. We need to print order star as well, but that's not what's wrong with it. So what's going on? Why do we get 6? Your loyalty level increases as a result. So if I choose 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. My loyalty level increase. If I choose 2 again, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And increase again, choose 2, 3, choose 2, Now say I had case, like this was 6 or something. We choose 6, loyalty level would be 6 divided by 2 is 3, choose 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 4, it'd still increase. I think I overthought this. I don't actually need to do all these extra computations. X. Then I don't need this. And then print points. Print order. Something still seems fishy though. 10. So I got all the 2's first. Now AR dot append. So I still think we need like an S. Like this needs to be S divided by it. Okay, we still need an S. S equals 0. AR. AR. S plus AR is greater than X. And we do all this. We should do S equals S plus AR double divide X. Else S plus equals AL. Now we get 14. Like, what is this BS? AL. So what's going on? Print A. Okay. S is 0. AR is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's not right. It should be 0. So we need to use modulus. Still 14. So we need to do this. Yeah, this is 0 plus 2 mod 2 is, wait, is 0. Yeah. Let's just do less than 1 from this. So, oh, it's 2, so there should be less than or equal to 0. Less than is greater than or equal to. What the fuck is going on? We have it all sorted. 0 plus r. Okay, we don't need this. I know how to get this. 0. S plus 2. Let's print S here. Okay, let's have a counter. 0 print counter plus equals 1 print counter, and then print S. S1 S case 2S. Don't need you anymore. Run this. 1 case 1 0. I got these confused. This stuff should be in here. Or, no, the points, at least, should be in here. Now I get 18. And my order's all wrong. Because we need to append a R, A, L. Okay, but why do I have so many 2s? I don't have this many 2s. Oh. Need to reverse these as well. -1. Okay. I think that fixed it. I don't know what went wrong when I was coding this, but everything was backwards. It's not completely right, but it's almost there. We're missing a 2 here. We're missing numbers. That's not good. Okay. What are we missing? We only go up to case 9. So we start at 0. And let's print out all these again. We should also print L and R. O and 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Case 1. 0. 2 and 8. Wait, 0 and 8. 0 and 7. 0, 6. 0. So, I don't think this case 1, case 2 thing is necessary anymore. It doesn't really help much. So, all these zeros should be case 2s. 2, 2, or case 1s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Why am I getting, what is this case? 6, 0, 4. Then maybe the cases do matter. Let me see. Two points, 4 points, 6 points, 8 points, 10 points. And then we sit on 10 points with a case 2. Oh, I see what's happening. Wait, do I see what's happening? Two points, 4 points, 6 points, 8 points, 10 points. Now, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. R minus 1, R is here. So 04, sit on 10 points. We add R. Or no, nothing happens, so we go here. And then we take this one. That's what gets us to 11. And we go here, nothing happens, then go here. And take this one. Let's see if this fixes anything. If it does, it was a real simple fix. If it doesn't, And I need to go back to the drawing board. Okay, this case 5. Oh, 53, 1, 0. Hold on. 0. This number. Okay, I think so. Okay, let's remove all these debuggers. And let's check with just this. And just copy this, but remove these lines. There we go. Okay. I think this is it. Come on. Taking a little while to run. Okay. Just be slow, I guess. There's not a C. Not accepted. It's running. We can pump out maybe 1 or 2 1,000 rated. Oh, there we go. We got it. That wasn't a bad question. How long did it take? 33 minutes? Dude, the fluctuation for 1200 rated for me is so large. It's like anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour 30. It's kind of just RNG. Oh well. Let's do this problem. This thing's split. Denote f of x as a function for a string x as the number of distinct characters that that string contains. For example, okay, so we can use a counter for this. Given a string s, split it into 2 non-empty strings a, b, such that a plus b is the maximum possible. In other words, find the maximum possible value of such that a plus b is equal to s. Okay. Interesting. Let's take in our input. N equals int input, and then a equals list map int input split. All right. What are we outputting? Maximum possible value f of a plus f of b. I'm thinking for the second test case, ABC, ABCD. How do, like, repeat behavior is important here. Repeat behavior. So, wherever we split it, no, that's not true. Brute force greedy strings is greedy. So, well, we know index 0 and index 1 and index 0 are on opposite team, or index negative 1. Index 0 and index negative 1 are on opposite teams. Let's see, what is this one output? 10? No matter how you split it, it's... because there's an M in here, right? So if we start on each side, each take 1, 3, 4, 5, and there's a duplicate. Just take on the back. So this one would be is a duplicate. Okay. AAZZ. Even AAZ. Now if we choose to split it like this, we get 2. Whereas if we choose to split it like this, we get 3. So we start from here. These are opposite teams no matter what. We find a duplicate. We have to decide. Do we go with this or do we go with this? Now what if we do something like A, B, C? Go, go, find a duplicate. So we put this in like limbo, I guess. And C would take this. Huh. Wait, I actually don't really know where to go with this problem. Hmm. Mm. Well, either way, we need to somehow keep track of the counts of characters. Can we just try a split for every, like, what's the length on this? 10 to 2x 10 to the 5? Like, I'm thinking about, like, 2 print equals -1 for I in range. Well, we start at 1. We go to 0. N -2. Start at 1, so we split here, I to the n, and then here would be n -2, so 7. And it's n -1. Alright, wait. Print A, beginning to I, and then A from I to the end. Uh, dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is the wrong input. It's like this. It's almost right. It's like this. Okay, this is exactly what I want. Now we calculate to print. Well, we do set A equals len set A. Okay, stir A. Len set AI. A from I, the beginning to I. b to the end, and then to print equals max to print stir a plus stir b. Print to print. Okay, that wasn't that bad. It's probably fast enough. It's on. OTLE. Oh, that's not on. How can I make this faster? This question's low-key hard. So n squared, right? My code. How can I make it on? I guess this is like what we can actually do is like have a prefix array, right? A prefix and a suffix array. Like we can pre-compute a prefix suffix array, and then we can pull it, and then we need to calculate every split. So we should have prefix equals 0 times n. And the suffix array should just be the prefix array flipped. Right? So I can do... Is it though? It's not. Suff x. There we go. So, but we can do this in one for loop still, I think. We just do for I in range in. And then like this, and then like prefix set dot add a I suffix set dot add a negative I. And then to print prefix set, or no, we do prefix plus suffix I. Start from, so we can start from 0 now. 0 to n. It's from 0 to, should be n minus 1. Prefix I. Oh, this shit is confusing me. Let's just comment this out real quick and print. Oh, I need to fix I. Suffix. Something's wrong. It should be n minus 1 minus I. And n minus 1 minus I, like this. Okay, now we should grab E4. It's not on I. It's not I. Because the split is here. This is case 1, 2, 3, 4. I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 9. It's 1, 9. It's 1, 2. Why is this 9? Like, why does this start at 9? Suffix set dot add. Oh, I guess we're competing backwards as well. One 9 would make 10 characters. That's not right. Is it I plus 1? Expected output. We split here. Should be 1 and 3. So it should be I plus 1, I think. Because I think if we do I, there's like an overlap character. Let's get rid of this Princeton here. Okay. I think this is it. Okay, cool. About an hour? Okay. If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I will see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.